Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 mouse right click button not working. First method is click Start, Settings. Click Bluetooth and Devices, click Mouse. Change mouse button to left to right, check right button is working. Second method is press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete keys, click Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. Third method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand mice and other pointing devices, right-click mouse, click Update Driver, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select mouse model, click Next. Close and restart system. Fourth method is type regedit in Windows search bar, click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey classes root, directory. Click and expand background, shell EX. Click and expand context menu handlers. Delete all keys except new and work folders. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.